Good morning, students. I hope you all have gone through the chapter determiners minutely. And as I told you all to try to solve your exercises or try to at least you should try to complete them. So that's why I did not discuss the answers on the previous day. So today the exercises will be discussed, and the concept or about determiners, every minute detail I have explained. So today we will directly move forward to the exercises. So here are the those exercises that you all get in will get in your book. And one thing I need to mention here, that some answers may vary. Okay, there may be some other answers also, but for this particular suitable determinants part, so it doesn't mean that if the word provided by me it doesn't match with you, that doesn't mean that your answer is wrong. It may vary. Okay, so there is nothing to think about that, and I have already mentioned that some questions can have more answers than are mentioned here. Okay, so the first was there, I waited for dash friend. I waited for my friend. Number 2, dash new hat that Navya bought is quite odd. Obviously, the new hat. Because here the new hat means it specifies something. So the new hat. We had a great time when we visited our sister. Again, I mentioned that whatever word I supply here, it does your word can be a different one, but that should be the correct one. Number 4, you can take it as sample answer. Number 4, can you buy me a cycle? Dad, do you remember the time we went Goa? Here it should be time, because because here time particular time period is hinted at, so obviously it will be the. Number 6, please put dash files in dash big drawer. So there is a certain big drawer obviously, so some files in the big drawer. Number 7, leave dash assignments on dash desk, the professor said to the class. In both the cases I supplied the leave the assignments on the desk. Number 8, in dash time there were no TVs or computers in our time. In dash days life was so much better. In those days life was so much better. Number 9, who is dash new girl in dash class? Who is the new girl in the class? Number 10, it will be, when will you return my English workbook? Number 11, many of these houses will be sold by the end of this month. Number 12, take a plastic bottle and a glass jar. First you are asked to take two particular things. That's why it is mentioned as a plastic bottle and a glass jar. But the next sentence is, fill a dash bottle with ink and dash. So obviously it's completely indicating that particular. So obviously both the blanks will be filled in with the bottle with ink and the jar with water. Number 13, our neighbors sometimes let dash cattle into dash field. Our neighbors sometimes let the cattle into our field. Number 14, Mr. Reddy is a great teacher. Everyone loves his class. Number 15, remove your footwear before you enter this room, said the monk. So this is the part where I told answer may vary. Okay, there can be more answers. Now if anyone wants me to check whether his or her answer is correct or not, so that child can send through subject query button. I will definitely I will definitely do the correction, or I will definitely go through it. But in that case also you need to write in complete sentence. It's nothing, you are not I will not entertain if you only write number 9, then the comma, the, this way it's quite impossible for me. So if you are there to send me through subject query button, please do send it properly. Okay, the sentence should be there, otherwise it is not possible for anyone. Means it's quite difficult, it's quite difficult for any teacher to go through it, okay, or to get it in a proper way. Along with that, moreover, this is a very bad habit if you write only the answer, because nowhere it is mentioned that only supply that particular word or something like that. If even means, that is the thing I want to mention, that if you are most welcome to send your answer through subject query button, but it should be in a proper way, the way you can see. As for example, I have already set here. So I could have also given in that form, okay, because all these things are already there in your study material part, where you are asked to do these exercises. So it was quite natural to provide you only the answer, means my, then the, then our, but I didn't do that. So you should also try to understand the reason behind it. So now let us continue once again. In exercise B, you all got questions where you are asked to correct those sentences if they are wrong. So in these sentences I have again written down all the sentences, and wherever there is change, that part is highlighted, and if the sentence remains unchanged, there you will not find anything, only the same sentence will be written again. Now number one was Sunil repaired the tap after wasting many water. Probably it was many water there in your book, and the answer will be obviously much water. Okay, so countable, uncountable, measurable, you all understand. So it will be, instead of many, it will be much water. Number two remains unchanged, it's correct one. Number three in your book exercise, the sentence was, can we have little salt please? Little salt, a little salt. When you put a little, it says, means it indicates a certain means it indicates a quantity. So obviously we can measure salt, we cannot count, so obviously it will be a little salt please. If you add a, then the sentence becomes completely correct. Number 4, again there we find no changes, it's correct. Number 5 also the same. Now number 6 number 6, the main sentence is, there are not much left-handed people. Much left-handed people, they are countable, we can count them. So obviously much is a wrong word used there, so it will be many left-handed people in our group. Number 7, again there is no change. Number 8, the truck delivered much boxes. Again much boxes we can count, so obviously many boxes. Number 9, it remains unchanged. Number 10, Uncle Shankar has not many knowledge of history. See, many knowledge is not countable at all, so obviously much knowledge. Number, as soon as you read the sentence, your ear only will, or your eyes will only indicate you. If you read it out loudly, your ear will indicate. If you read it silently, your ear, means eyes will indicate this is something wrong, and you will definitely get stuck there. So obviously it will be much knowledge. Number 11 remains unchanged, and number 12 is, this corner of the hall gets, in your book it was few fresh air. Obviously few cannot be there, it can be some fresh air or little fresh air. So this is the thing. Now exercise C, there you were supplied with certain determiners, and you were asked to choose one of them, and one of those words, and you can use one particular determiner for a single time. So the first is, sentence was, dash cakes are made with eggs, butter, flour and sugar. So obviously most cakes. Number 2, which class do you study in? Number 3, we always travel first class when we go by train. Number 4, Please tell each participant to submit their picture. There is many a sleep between the cup and the lip. Number 6. We had enough food left over after the party to feed 10 street children. Number 7. We need to plant more trees. There can never be enough to save the environment. Number 8. Did you find a decent place to stay? Number 9. Kindness is a virtue that few people actually practice regularly. Number 10. You can choose either topic for the extempo speech. Number 11. Several people came to see their favorite stars. Number 12. There is very little water in the tank. And number 13. How much paint will we need for this wall? Number 14. 100 students put up stalls at the Diwali fair. And number 15 is only 5 participants have arrived. So all these words are few, either, several, much, 100, 5, most, which, first, each. All these words are already supplied. That's why just you need to put the exact word at its exact place. That's why simply I just read it out. I hope most of you have done these answers correctly. So this way we can complete determiners. There you get means different segment in your textbook. Predeterminers, central and post determiners. So those things we will omit. Okay, only we will continue with this. Let us complete the first complete all these things. Those things are means these things are enough, I think, for in order to know. You all are in class 8, so just concentrate on this part, whatever is taught. Okay, afterwards I will rethink if it is if it is in that way required. So in the for this chapter this much only. I hope you all have definitely gone through, and again I ask you all to go through it. If you cannot understand or if you find something, you can definitely let me know through subject query button. So keep on doing your work. Thank you. Have a nice day.